Welcome to Glammy Tiny House. This is our G50 model. The length is 9.5 meters, 3.3 meters wide, 3.2 meters high. G50's total area is around 31.4 meters. This one is with a balcony. And that one is G50F. It has no balcony. Central AC. Dry and wet separated bathroom, smart toilet, washing basin, smart living, bar table included, ambient lights included, electrical curtains included, low E glass 3 layers. This is the balcony. Let's check. We can put a small desk here, small chair here. 2 people enjoy the view from the balcony. Hi miss, you wanna drink in our movable house? Smart living? Call me.